Hi guys, today is the day. I cannot believe it's finally here. I've been dreaming about this forever and I finally get to see it. And a rainbow is out, so it's going to be a beautiful day. Let's go. I'm so nervous, I feel like I'm getting proposed to. Okay, I'm going to look at the fantasy bra for the first. It's beautiful, I love it. Can I keep it, please? Please, can I keep it, Victoria's Secret? I love you, thank you. This is very exciting. All right, I'm gonna go put it on. I just am so honored to join this long list of amazing women that have worn the fantasy bra, and I can't believe that this year is my year. Ta-da! Now let's go shoot this. This is my first time being chosen to wear the fantasy bra, and I feel so honored. There are about 6,500 gems on this bra. It's valued at $2 million, and it is designed exclusively for Victoria's Secret by Mawad. Catch me on the runway wearing the 2015 Fireworks Fantasy Bra at the Victoria's Secret Fashion Show, airing December 8th on CBS.